In our world of CNC setup, precision is everything. The more precise we are in every aspect of our work, the more we become a master of our craft. Common distractions faced in the shop. Digital distractions, noise pollution, multitasking, work environments, lack of priorities, and equipment issues all pose significant threats to CNC setup performance. Machine setup requires high-level focus. Distractions break up our rhythm. Distractions break our ability to work effectively. Distractions prevent us from achieving excellent setup times. Distractions increase the probability of mistakes, setbacks, and lower-quality setups. Focus re-engagement. The re-engagement process is a concept that is poorly understood and occurs after a distraction or interruption and is detrimental to your setup efficiency. Re-engagement is the mental process of shifting gears from the distraction back to the setup. According to research, the re-engagement period can last as long as the interruption itself. For example, for a 25-minute-long interruption, the re-engagement period can last for an additional 25 minutes, turning a 25-minute interruption into almost a full hour of lost time in the setup. Eliminating distractions is a key pillar in the G3 CNC blueprint for setup success. The G3 CNC blueprint is the foundation of the CNC Setup Pro course and focuses on 10 core skills that will yield the greatest impact in your setup performance in the shortest amount of time. Setup Pro dedicates one of those training modules to eliminating distractions, including the specific distractions most likely to adversely impact machine setup, provide tools for increased awareness of these distractions, and provide tools to systematically eliminate these distractions from your work and your setups.